guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you two very simple hairstyles that you can do at home. So this is one of them. I think it's so cute for a brunch or lunch with your girlfriends, and there's another one which again is super simple, and I created this look using the BBLUNT Intense Moisture and the BBLUNT Dry shampoo, both these products which I swear by. I'm pretty sure I added them in my favorites video last time, so I'm just breaking them down to show you how you can avoid really dry ends and also how you can get volume in your hair. So yeah, if you want to know how to get two very simple hairstyles, then please keep watching. So first you want to style your hair, make sure it's blow dried or like straightened or something. Now that process I'm going to show you in some other video in the future. For today we're just going to focus on the hairstyle. You want to sort of brush your hair out and get rid of all the knots if that's what you do. I do not own a brush. That's because I don't believe in brushing my hair. I just like to use my fingers whenever I can. So first, to prep my hair, I always put some sort of a serum on the ends of my hair. It really gets dry at the bottom since I have colored hair, and especially because it's blonde, so when they sort of bleach your hair it sort of gets really dry. So I'm gonna go in with the BBLUNT Intense Moisture Hair Serum. This has avocado, jojoba oil and other argan oils and vitamin E. So whenever I feel my hair is rough on a particular day or my ends are really dry, that happens a lot because I also use heating tools, so I go in with this one. It's one of those very light serums you don't even get to know, you know, it just sort of absorbs into the hair really quickly and it just hydrates the ends of my hair, which I really like. Other serums sort of weigh your hair down and it appears very greasy after a few days. This does not make that happen. So I'm just gonna take very little on my hand, like literally 4 drops, and I'm just gonna rub it across to warm the product, and I'm just running it through the ends of my hair. This is what I do all the time because my hair does get really dry, and it gives you that shine as well. Can you see? I really like how lightweight it is. That's very important for me. So I'm just going to run my finger through the ends of my hair. Now you never want to go into your roots with a serum. You want to always start at the bottom, like just halfway, and just brush it through your hair. Like honestly, I love the fragrance of this because it just smells beautiful. So I'm just going to do that. Now you can see. So this is it after adding the serum. It really sort of boosts the hydration in your hair, and I have bleached hair like you can see, but it really sort of leaves it shiny, and I love the effect of this. Now as you can see, my hair is falling flat. This is like a 2-day-old hair. I haven't washed it since 2 days. So I'm gonna zhuzh it up and bring back volume by using the BBLUNT Back to Life Dry Shampoo. This is in Spring Fling. I believe I put this in my favorites video because I love this so much. I've been into dry shampoos lately. It really sort of smells amazing. Firstly, the fragrance lasts in your hair 2 to 3 days, and it really sort of brings back that volume into your hair. To part my hair and just, that's what I do. It smells so good, it's unbelievable. All you need is a tail comb. This is something I cannot do without. I do not own a brush because I don't brush my hair at all, but if that's what you do, please go ahead and take out all the knots that you have. I usually don't have knots in my hair at all. So I'm just going to divide my hair like this, like you can see. I prefer just going naturally like that. So basically I'm just taking a section of my hair. All you're going to do is take a section from the front, and instead of laying it flat like this and tying it, you want to push it up like this, like a bunny, and you want to take a loose tie. You get this anywhere, and you want to sort of secure this really well and make sure you just pull back. So all you want to do is secure your pony, and that is it. That's how simple this look is. It keeps the hair out of your face. It also gives you like a lift. I think this hairstyle will suit any girl of any age. Honestly, this looks really cute. So I'm gonna take my curling wand. You can use anything that you have home. I will have everything listed below. I don't divide my hair in sections and stuff. I literally pick it up randomly and I just start to wrap my hair around. I'm just curling the ends of my hair so it looks a little bit neater. So I curled this section and you can see the complete hairstyle. I think it looks so cute for like a girl's night out or a girl's lunch or a brunch or even date night. Honestly, I think this is such a cute hairstyle. Okay, for the next look, you want to part your hair to the side. It depends on what you're looking for. You can keep a middle parting as well. So what you're going to do is take the first bit of your hair and start twisting it. And once you've reached here, you want to pick up another section, join it with the first one and keep twisting. So this keeps going on until where you feel like you need to stop. You're gonna twist and put it back. Take a bobby pin and secure it. So pick up a section, start twisting. I'm just gonna stop here and take it behind. You want to take a bobby pin and make sure you're securing that twist. I think this is also perfect for date night. Again, I'm going to take the dry shampoo and I'm just going to give it some volume. So again, if I want a little bit of hydration, because I use the heating tool, sometimes that dries out my hair too and it looks very raspy and I don't like that. So I'm going to take the BBLUNT Intense Moisture once again. Just put a dollop of it, like really tiny, warm it up, and you want to sort of run it through the ends of your hair. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know I don't do a lot of hairstyle videos, but I should really start because most of you want to know how to do simple and easy hairstyles, and I am going to do that for you. I 100% recommend these products because I use them all the time and I get lots of questions from you that what do you use for your hair, how is your hair so shiny, how do you get so much volume. Guys, these are the products I use. I swear to God, they're really great. And yeah, if you happen to recreate any of these hairstyles, please tag me on Instagram. I love you so much and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys. Peace.